Hey my beauties, you are going to love this video because today we're talking about those outfits that aren't even trying too hard, but somehow make guys completely obsessed. Not the extra overdone looks, I mean the soft, effortless, slightly spicy outfits that just hit differently. It's really not about showing more, it's about the vibe, the comfort, and the little details that make someone unforgettable. So don't skip this one, because these outfits will literally have him thinking about you even after you leave. 1. Oversized hoodie. There's something about a girl wearing an oversized hoodie that instantly gives off the cutest energy ever. It looks cozy, soft, and effortlessly attractive without even trying. The way the sleeves cover her hands and the hoodie falls loosely just creates such a comforting vibe. She doesn't need to dress up or do anything extra. It just works naturally. It feels warm, simple, and a little addictive to look at. That relaxed look makes her seem approachable and real, not forced or overly styled. It gives that quiet, come hug me energy without saying anything directly. Especially when her hair is slightly messy or natural, it makes the whole vibe even softer. It's not loud, but it stays in someone's mind. And honestly, that effortless comfort is what makes it so attractive. His hoodie, his clothes. When a girl wears his hoodie or something that belongs to him, it hits on a completely different level. It's not just about the outfit anymore, it's about the feeling behind it. Seeing her in something that's his creates a soft, emotional connection instantly. It feels personal, like she's part of his world in a quiet way. The oversized fit makes her look even cuter, like she's wrapped in something familiar. It's comforting, soft, and a little possessive in the sweetest way. She's not even trying, but it still feels special. That small detail makes the moment feel more real. And honestly, that's the kind of thing that stays in his mind for a long time. 3. Fitted top plus loose pants. A fitted top paired with loose pants or trousers creates the perfect balance. It's not too much, not too basic, just enough to look put together without trying hard. The contrast between fitted and relaxed makes the outfit stand out naturally. It gives shape while still feeling comfortable and easy. This kind of look shows confidence without being loud about it. It feels effortless but still intentional at the same time. She looks like she knows her style without overthinking it. That quiet confidence is what makes it attractive. And honestly, it's one of those outfits that always works. 4. Messy bun plus casual fit. The messy bun with a simple outfit is one of the most underrated looks ever. It's not perfect or polished, but that's exactly why it feels so real. A few loose strands of hair falling naturally just adds to the softness. It looks like she didn't even try, but still looks amazing. That effortless vibe stands out way more than something overly styled. It feels comfortable, relaxed, and genuine. She looks like herself, not like she's trying to impress anyone, and that natural beauty hits differently. It's simple, but it leaves a strong impression. 5. Soft color outfits. Wearing soft colors like white, beige, or pastels creates such a calm and pretty vibe. It makes the whole outfit feel gentle, clean, and feminine. These colors don't scream for attention, but they still stand out quietly. It's a soft kind of beauty that feels peaceful and attractive. The way these colors reflect light makes everything look more aesthetic. It creates a warm and comforting energy around her. It's simple, but it feels intentional. That kind of softness is very noticeable. And honestly, it makes the whole look unforgettable. 6. Slightly oversized t-shirts. A slightly oversized t-shirt paired with jeans or shorts is such a simple look, but it hits every time. It feels casual, comfortable, and naturally attractive without effort. She looks relaxed, but still put together in the easiest way. There's something about that laid-back vibe that makes it appealing. It's not trying too hard to be perfect, and that's exactly why it works. It feels real and easy to connect with. That natural energy stands out more than anything forced. And honestly, it's one of those looks guys always notice. 7. Minimal accessories. Sometimes the smallest details make the biggest difference. A simple necklace, small earrings, or a watch can elevate the whole look. It's not about wearing a lot, it's about wearing just enough. Those little touches show effort without being overwhelming. They make the outfit feel complete in a subtle way. It's simple, but very effective. That balance makes the look feel clean and attractive. And honestly, it's the kind of detail people remember. 8. Comfortable, confident fit. The most attractive thing isn't even a specific outfit, it's how comfortable she feels in it. When a girl feels good in what she's wearing, it shows instantly. Her energy changes, her posture changes, everything feels more natural. That confidence makes any outfit look better. It's not about trends or expensive clothes, it's about how she carries herself. That effortless confidence is what stands out the most. And honestly, that's what makes someone unforgettable. At the end of the day, it's not about wearing the perfect outfit. It's about the energy, comfort, and little details that make it feel real. That's what actually makes someone obsessed. If you enjoyed this video, like, share, and subscribe to SoulSync, and tell me in the comments, which outfit do you wear the most?